Welcome, here I've got Umidigi X and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shutter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's take a picture. Now we can hear the sound. To turn it off, let's move to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have shutter sound option. So by using this button from the right we can turn it off, and by tapping again we can turn it on again as we need. Now let me keep this turned off. When we go back to the camera now and take another picture, we can't hear the sound. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.